This Instagram Reels review and tutorial on how to use the new Instagram Reels feature in 2020 is for you if you're a content creator, a business owner, or you're just someone who's looking to get more familiar in these social media spaces. If you guys are enjoying content like this and you want to see more, then definitely go ahead and hit up that little subscribe button right there so that you never ever miss more content just like this. Hey Curlfriends, and welcome to another episode of Finance Your Hair Rocks, and I'm your curl-friendly lawyer, Lavinia Latham. What are Reels? Reels are essentially the replacement for TikTok. If you guys have been familiar with these social media spaces, these social media streets, you will know that TikTok was recently banned by the US president because of concerns of national security. Reels is pretty much Instagram's version of TikTok, and so in these 15 to 30 second video clips, you're able to really convey different messages. Why should you be posting on Reels? Reels are really important to post on because it's gonna give you even more engagement than you already have. Now, if you're someone who's looking to up your game, if you're looking to gain more engagement, you want more eyes, you want Instagram to really push your content, then you really wanna be using Reels to your benefit. Now, the great thing about Reels is if you're someone who usually posts content and gets like 30 to 40 likes max, 30 to 40 people viewing your content max, posting on Reels is really going to help you skyrocket your engagement. You're gonna be able to achieve anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 views in the span of 2 to 3 days. I know, it's crazy, right? What should you be posting on Reels? TikTok was all about dances. It was about funny singing. It was really just a social media space to be silly. Instagram is kind of a little bit different. If you post things like voiceovers or singing, if you post things like covers, I mean, it's not that it's not gonna do well, it's just, it's not necessarily the same forum. What you really wanna keep in mind when you're posting on Instagram Reels is that the audience in Instagram Reels is much different than the audience in TikTok. TikTok's audience was really, really young, really forward-thinking, trendy, very just forward-thinking, a newer generation, a very young generation. Instagram has businesses on it. Instagram has different people of different ages, and it really is a space for a whole bunch of different people to kind of come together as one. That being said, what would really fly on TikTok doesn't necessarily fly on Instagram. At first, if you really want those engagements, you really want those views, you really want to make sure that you're posting things that are either educational or you're posting things that are aesthetically pleasing. So you want to think of Instagram and remember where Instagram started. Instagram started as an aesthetically pleasing interface for those who are interested in photography. Everything that's built off of Instagram is built through that whole lens of being aesthetically pleasing. And so when you think of Reels and you think of the content that's really gonna fly on Instagram, what you really wanna conceptualize it as, or think of it as, is Instagram meets Pinterest and had a 30-second video baby. So let's just jump on into my iPhone itself so I can show you guys exactly how I made one of the videos that has been doing really well on my Instagram Reels since I posted it earlier this week. I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to your reel, how to save your reels to the camera roll, how to develop a really good hashtag strategy for your reels, how to add and remove your reel from the feed. So as you can see, there's actually quite a lot that we're gonna learn today. So you're gonna go ahead, open up your IG Reels, click that little square towards the left, which is gonna pull up your albums. From there, you're gonna pick the video that you want to add your music to, and then we're gonna kind of choose that video that is nice, edited, good to go. You just need to add your music. Then you're gonna click audio with the little music bar, and I like Level Up from Sierra, so for ease of access, we're gonna use that. And yeah, now if you're happy with the lyrics, you can leave it as is. If not, you can just go ahead and use that little bar to slide it back and forth to choose the lyrics that you want. Hit done and you're pretty much good to go. So you can see what it looks like by hitting the arrow, and boom, your music is attached to your video. Curlfriend crew, if you're liking this Instagram Reels review and you want to see more content just like this, let me know by hitting up the like button, but also let me know by putting in the comment box below whether or not you have an Instagram handle, and if you do, what is that, so that we can remain connected. Perfect. So now you've got the perfect IG reel and you want to save it to your camera roll. Go ahead, choose your IG reel, hit those 3 little dots, and it's going to pull up the option to save to your camera roll. Hit save to camera roll, and then it will ask to save without audio. Go ahead and hit save because you can always add whatever audio you want to your IG reel after the fact. Okay, let's talk hashtags. So for this 30-second twist out IG reel, I was actually very successful in getting a lot of views in a short amount of time, to the tune of 979 views in a less than 24-hour period. So what did I do? I actually used highly relevant hashtags that had less than 500,000 hits on the Instagram platform. So for example, twist styles, twist outs, twist out style, twist out styles with an S. You guys get the drift. Just really relevant hashtags that have everything to do with the content that I'm posting. Now, it's really important that the hashtags that you choose are actually garnering less than 500,000 hits, because anything more than that will cause your content to get lost amongst the sea of way more popular influencers, more popular accounts, and you just don't want that to happen. So might as well grab the low-lying fruit, the fruit that we can grab by using the hashtags that have less than 500,000 hits. If you want to continue this conversation and you are enjoying this type of a content and want to engage in even more conversation just like this, then definitely connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter as Find Natural Hair Rocks. Alright, so now you're a pro at creating IG Reels and you've got a bunch of drafts that you want to get rid of. Go ahead, hit the drafts, hit select, and a little hollow circle should appear. Hit that hollow circle and the discard button should pop up at the bottom of your screen. Hit discard and voila! Curlfriends, we are quickly on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and you guys know what that means when it comes to Find Natural Hair Rocks. That means there's gonna be a massive giveaway, bigger than any other giveaway we've ever seen right here on Find Natural Hair Rocks. That being said, if you guys know another curlfriend who's interested in this type of content, whether they've got a social media presence of their own, trying to grow out their natural hair, or really just want some lifestyle content from your curl-friendly lawyer, then definitely send them on over to Find Natural Hair Rocks, and I'll be sure to welcome them into our Curlfriend crew. If you're new to Find Natural Hair Rocks, you should know that I post new content 2 times per week, on Wednesdays and usually Friday or Saturday at approximately 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Curlfriends, if you've gotten all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. Number 1, I hope you learned something really good from this Instagram Reels review, and I also hope that the tutorial was helpful too. If you guys have gotten all the way to the end, you're a real one. Definitely let me know exactly who you are by putting in the comment box below social media. That's it. That's all. I'll see you guys on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our next Curl Chat Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.